All right, everybody. So this is the first part of classwork 2.08, and what you can see here in the frame is that I have a temperature probe, a science classroom thermometer, and that is in a cup of vinegar. And the formula for the vinegar reactant is right here. And I am going to add to it sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is also known as baking soda. And I'm going to add a big scoop, and what we're going to see is what happens to the temperature when the big scoop of baking soda is added to the vinegar. Okay, so let's observe the change here. And I'm just going to stir it. Temperature probe. And you can see what's happening to the temperature there in the window for the temperature probe. Okay, so that will be a good observation to make, and we can use that for the data in the first part of classwork 2.08.